I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, so I wanted to share something pretty exciting. I think it's exciting and I think it's pretty cool, but I wanted to share this huge package that Benefit sent me, Benefit Cosmetics. I know, crazy. I can't believe it. So I applied to be in their Benefits Club Pink, which is basically like a little club for like smaller influencers. I don't really consider myself a influencer. I'm a makeup artist, but I applied and they accepted me, and this is actually the third package that they sent me in the last month. I thought the first two was gonna be it, and then when I got this, I was like, excuse me. I just was not expecting that much stuff from them. So they originally sent me a box of a bunch of their brow products, which I was so excited about because I was in desperate need of some new brow products. So I am set in the brow department. And then they sent me a little package with a bunch of mini products by them. So like some of their best sellers, like a mini hula, some blushes, mini mascaras, mini brow pencils. So that was awesome, and definitely will be using all of that as well. But then I got this, and I really wasn't sure what it was when I got the box because it came by UPS, and I was like, it said my name on it, and I was like, I didn't order anything, but they sent me all of this. I'm just gonna run through what is in the box, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna grab random things. But one of the first things with this Hoola bronzing and contouring brush, which I'm actually really excited about because I did take this out of the box already, and it's like the softest brush ever, and I definitely would use this for like bronzer or, well, yeah, mostly bronzer. You could even use it for blush if you wanted to, but, they also sent a Benefit Porefessional, which I know you guys all know what this is. So popular, and is a very good primer, especially if someone has problems with deep pores on their nose or like in the cheek area. Then we have the 24-hour brow setter, which has become my favorite brow gel ever. It is so good. It literally, like, once you put this in your brows aren't gonna go anywhere, and they stay in place. Like, it's crazy how strong this stuff is. It's probably the strongest brow gel I've ever used. What else? We also have the Precisely My Brow. They sent shades 3.75, which is my shade, so this is like my favorite brow pencil. I've been using this a lot. I bought this a couple months ago, used it all up, ran out, and then they sent me a couple of these. So I am set. I'm not going to need brow products for a while. They also sent 2 of the highbrow pencils. So we have the matte version and the shimmery version. If you're not sure what these are, they're basically just like a cream highlighter pencil that you can use right underneath your brows to kind of highlight the brow area, but also clean up the brows as like how you would use concealer, basically. So I've actually never seen the shimmery finish. I want to see what that looks like. I've seen the other one, but never this one. Okay, that's pretty. So it's just like a nice, like, champagne shimmer color. So I'll definitely try that out. They also sent an Ingles brow brush, which you can never have too many of these. It is dual-sided, so it also has a spoolie. And then they sent a couple of mascaras. So I am set with mascaras. Which I never really buy high-end mascaras anymore. I just always use drugstore, but I'm actually really excited to use these. I used to always use Benefit They're Real for like a good 2 years. I felt like that's all I used. And I have tried the Bad Gal Bang, and this one is very good. And I've never tried the roller lash, so I'm definitely excited to try that out. So they sent me those. They also sent me the 3D brow tones, which I never saw this before. I didn't know that they sold this. So basically what this is it's like a brow gel, but it has shimmer in it. I believe MAC has one similar, and also Anastasia. But yeah, it's basically just like a shimmery brow gel, and it's just supposed to highlight your brow hairs. So I'm excited to try that out because, like I said, I've never used anything like that. Like, all my brow gels are either clear or have a matte color to them. I've never used anything with like a shimmer. They also, which I've actually wanted this for a while, but they gave me the Bravo Conditioning Primer. So I guess you just put this on every day, and it's supposed to help your brows grow and get thicker. And you could use it as a primer as well, like before you put on your brow products. So that's gonna come in handy because these brows are so sparse. They don't look sparse, but trust me, they're sparse. Next we have the Dandelion Blush, which, if you never saw this one before, which, by the way, I do want to give a little shout out to these brushes because these are awesome for contouring. Don't throw these ones out. I mean, a lot of makeup brands, the brushes that they put in the blushes suck, but the Benefit ones are great. They're so soft, and they're literally perfect for contouring your face. But yeah, this is just like a soft pink. It's very, very light. It's a very, very pale pink, but it's pretty. It's subtle. They also sent Hoola, which, I mean, that is like a classic Hoola bronzer. It's such a great bronzer. They also sent High Beam, which I had this years ago, and I actually used to like it. If you're not sure what High Beam is, it's like a liquid, it's a liquid highlighter. So it's just like this pearl liquid highlighter. I'll swatch it. Oh, they changed the packaging. It used to be a brush from what I remember, but now it's like a doe foot applicator. And yeah, that's what it looks like. They also sent Dandelion Twinkle, which is a loose highlighter, and this is what that looks like. It's a very subtle highlighter. Like, I feel like this would be gorgeous on mature skin. There's really not a ton of shimmer in it. I mean, it's shimmery, but it's not nowhere near like as shimmery as a lot of popular highlighters out there. So I feel like on mature skin, this would be beautiful because it wouldn't be too shimmery, but it's also, I don't know, on my mature clients, I really like to add a little bit of glow. I know people say you shouldn't apply shimmer on top of mature skin. It enhances wrinkles, but honestly, I think a little bit of glow done the right way is very flattering on mature clients. But yeah, so we also have the California Blush, which this packaging is so cute. And that's what this looks like. And honestly, this is like right up my alley. Like, I love coral blushes so much. Especially in the summer with a nice tan, like, you can't go wrong with a really bright coral blush. They also gave the Benefit Porefessional in, this is the Soft Radiance one. So it has like a little bit of a shimmer in it. They gave Cub-Brow, which this will be going in my kit because I already have one of these, but I definitely would use this on my clients. Also gave Gimme Brow, which is like so good. This is in shade 3.5. If you have trouble with sparse brows and you need something to give your brows a little bit of volume, this is it. So fill in your brows with your pencil or pomade, whatever you prefer, or powder, and then go in with this, and it just like makes your eyebrows, it makes it look like you have more hairs than you actually do. They also sent What's Up, which is, or What's Up, which is a cream highlighter. So I used to have this as well. Actually, funny story real quick, little story time. So I went to the city. This was a couple years ago with my boyfriend. I mean, I used to live in the city. Actually, I think at the time I was living there. So he came to visit me. We went out to go to a play and at Lincoln Center. And we were walking around Columbus Circle first, which, like, if you've never been to Columbus Circle in New York, it's basically, like, there's a lot of shopping and, I don't know, it's just, like, a nice area of the city. And there's a big mall there. Well, it's not huge, but there is a mall there. And it started to rain. And right, like, when it just started to rain, the raindrops were humongous. And there's just, like, you know when it starts to rain, there's just, like, a few raindrops and then it just comes down? Well, one of those raindrops fell directly into my eyeball. Like, literally, my eyes were open. It just went directly into my eyeball. Like, I felt like, oh my God, what just happened? And my makeup got all over the place. My eyeliner was running down my face. Like, it was bad. Even my boyfriend was like, oh my God, like, we're gonna need to fix that because I literally had eyeliner all over. It was bad. I don't know what eyeliner I was wearing, but clearly it was not waterproof. So I went into Sephora at Columbus Circle and I bought this little, it was like a kit of a bunch of products from Benefit. So it had like a couple eyeshadows in there. It had a mini What's Up. It had just like a couple mini products, and I bought it because it kind of had like everything I needed all in one little kit. And yeah, that's a little funny story about Benefit, but basically my makeup got ruined and Benefit came to the rescue at Sephora in Columbus Circle. Anyway, so what else we have? They also gave me the Goof Proof brow pencil, and this is in 3.75, and this pencil is basically just like an angled pencil, and I think this is it, right? Yeah, I think this is it. And then lastly, they gave me the Browsings Pro Brow Palette. And this is what this looks like. Sorry, my camera cut off, but as I was saying, they gave me the Browsings Pro Brow Palette, which I actually feel like I may put this in my kit and maybe retire the Anastasia Pro Brow Palette for a little while, because honestly, this is like all you would need. It has all the shades you would need, from like light blonde to dark brown. These are 3 waxes, so this is a translucent one, this is a dark brown and then light brown, and then some brow powders. So I think I may put this in my freelance kit, but yeah, that is it. So that is basically what they gave me. I mean, like I had mentioned, they had sent me 2 other packages before this one, so I do have a bunch of other stuff that they did send me, but I put it all away now, so I don't feel like digging for it. But yeah, thank you so much, Benefits. I'm excited to see like what they're gonna send. I think they'll send something every month if you're a part of Benefit Club Pink. And yeah, so I do think I am going to enter their brow competition. I have to read up on the rules, but they're having a brow competition and you basically have to recreate some brow styles. So I never really enter a competition, so I figured why not? Maybe I'll try it out. So yeah, thank you so much, Benefit. You guys rock, and I feel very spoiled. And it's pretty cool because even though I've had companies reach out to me over the last couple of years to send me stuff, and I have had quite a few companies send me things, I've never had a company as big as Benefit send me anything. Like all the other companies that have sent me stuff are like smaller companies, like they're not super well known yet. So to get something from Benefit that is sold in Sephora and Ulta, I don't know, it's pretty cool because I'm not an influencer, so to get any sort of PR package is pretty cool.